Hey everyone, welcome to Super Kids Toys. Today, we'll be unboxing the SpongeBob SquarePants Krusty Krab playset.
Bonjour!
Hi Henry.
Oh, how are you? I am so excited to open up and play with Monsieur SpongeBob. He is one of my favorite animated characters of all time.
Henry, do you like the Chum Bucket better or the Krusty Krab?
Oh, how dare you even ask such a question? Of course I prefer the Krusty Krab.
Let's open the box.
A few moments later.
As you can see, it comes with one Chum Bucket and one Krusty Krab place.
Henry, how many Krabby Patties do you think you can eat?
Oh, I have never tested myself, but I think on a good day I could eat 12, maybe 13. Oh, hello, Karen. It comes with one Karen. And a spatula.
4 plankton discs.
4 Krabby Patties. You use those to fire at each other. And then one Monsieur SpongeBob SquarePants. Hello, SpongeBob. I must say, I am a huge fan. Oh, and your arms and legs move so dexterously. And then, of course, Monsieur Plankton, to whom I say,
Let's see who's inside.
and we open the doors, and who is there? Oh, hello, Karen. I must say, you look so magnifique today. And we are ready for the battle to begin. But first, you must load the plankton discs into the firing device. Monsieur Plankton will take his spout. Deploy. Prepare to fire. Whoa! Careful! You nearly hit me with the chum. Oh, I thought you were out, but you are not. Now it is time for Monsieur SpongeBob to retaliate. Deploy this spatula, Mr. SpongeBob, deploy. Then we load the Krabby Patty into the spatula and fire! Fire at will, SpongeBob. Fire! Oh, you bet you did not see that coming, Monsieur Plankton.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to watch more unboxing videos with your favorite animal friends.
Well, that was super fun. I will close with a song for you. Krusty Krab!